watermelon, the other one is a ice cream. So we already got that, so get that on the side, put those down, and now let's get the fun begins. Okay, we're gonna do a countdown to open up the egg. So 3, 2, 1, go!
I don't know if you can help. Oh.
This is I'm going around in circles.
How did you open it up there?
I'm still on my egg.
I got competitive.
Let me open it up. How? Wait, what? I'm trying to look like that.
Okay, I'll show you what it looks like from the front. There's nothing on the back. And then it has like this like picture.
What is yours?
It's a shooting star. Some kind of star.
So mine is this orange one, and then mine is a pizza. It's good that I picked this one because I really like pizza. So, yeah, and what do you got?
So mine looks like this, and then turns into looks like it looks like a bamboo stick, which is really cool, you know,
It might be
for the plants.
Okay, now let's open it. 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Oh, it smells so good. Mine smells really good. And then at the bottom, oh, okay. Then what you do is you grab this and you can stick it on top of the belly. And on the back of the hearts, there's like a little clip for your hair. So
No,
if you
I want
want
to do it. Hi.
put it in.
What's up, gang? What's up, gang? Okay, I'm gonna wear it. Mine is a sheep.
This smells so good. I don't know. Is this like an owl? So I got this bird owl fairy looking thing. It has like gold sparkles on the back, and then in the front it has hair, and then I put in the thing in the belly, and then it just has like really cool feet, ears, wings. Inside the eggs, there's unicorn poop.
Oh!
And then there's, I'm guessing this is a bracelet because it looks like, and then there's stickers that comes with it. And then there's a surprise.
Oh, mine is a sheep, and it smells good on the bottom.
Okay, well, mine's like a mix of like a panda and like a lamb with like the feet, and then a rainbow butterfly hybrid thing. Okay, so I don't know what this is, but oh, it's like a mini. It's like
They're
mine
erasers.
kind of looks like a.
They're erasers.
Oh yeah, like an eraser top. So what they are is they're an eraser top, which is really cool, and this one's like a narwhal mixed with a butterfly. Mine looks like mine.
Mine,
Oh, what?
mine looks like the same one, and
Yours looks like your animal.
yeah.
I don't
Oh,
have
I
one mine
a
then.
baby.
Okay, let's open up the poop, because I'm really excited about that.
Me too. I don't know.
I'm guessing it's like...
Oh, ew.
No! I'm guessing it's like slime.
Ew.
Ooh!
Can you remember that gooey stuff?
This is my favorite kind of like slime.
It's
like
foam.
Yeah, it's like foam slime. It's sticky. And it has 3 colors inside. I don't want to mess it up too much. But
I'm messing mine up.
I'm just going to end up mixing them together anyways. So, this is my unicorn poop. And it's
I
stretchy.
got the same.
Which usually isn't like that.
Yeah.
And then it gets like kind of airy, which is cool to do. I'm mixing mine together.
We all have the same poop.
Yeah.
Look. This smells super good.
It does.
does smell
It
good.
smells like bananas and like strawberries.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully this doesn't turn brown. So I think it will. Oh, is that the point? You mix it together and it becomes like poop?
You gotta answer that for us.
I don't know.
Comment down below.
Comment down
See,
below.
it's already turning a little bit of brown. Is that the point though? Or are you supposed to not
We'll
put
see.
it together?
It's really pretty though, the color right now.
Yeah.
Mine is changing.
Yeah, me too. Maybe it'll become orange. Oh, look it. Yeah. Like a pinkish.
Since I mixed mine in different colors, mine is turning like another color. Whoa. You need to scare. It poked me.
I'm sorry. So there's that. And then inside
It's got the
the other
bracelet.
packet is a bracelet.
Yep, you're right.
Whoa, that one's cool. Oh, I got the same one.
Ooh.
Huh?
Me and Keelan got the same one.
What kind you got?
I have one kind of like this already, so this is nice now that it's colorful.
Mine, it has like a little charm on it, and mine looks exactly like my bird.
Mine looks the same as mine.
Same, me finally.
I like this.
Wait, where's my putty?
And then the stickers.
Uh-oh. Oh,
I think I'm gonna decorate my thing with stickers.
wait, those are stickers?
Well, I don't know where mine went. Never
You're
mind.
supposed to decorate.
So I'm gonna decorate my egg with my stickers that it comes in.
I'm gonna put.
There's a whole bunch of different characters, so it's not just the same character.
I got one.
They have all of them, so I just took off my character, put on my
Yes.
little model right here.
So there's way more to collect than just these three. I see yours and I see mine. Yeah. I think I'm gonna put mine in the
Put stickers on.
front. I really like my doll, and it's very soft, and I love all the other toys that it comes with, and I just think it's really cool, especially this.
I really like my stuffed animal, and I really like it comes with tattoos and stickers. Yeah, the stickers and the unicorn poop. And yeah,
I like mine because it smells really good, and the whole egg smells super good. And I like that they have foam for us to play with as well, and it smells good too.
thank you, Sarah, for sending us these eggs.